What is the history of cloud computing and cloud storage? Imagine a world where you can access your files and programs from anywhere, anytime, without carrying around a flash drive or worrying about losing data. That world is made possible by the evolution of cloud computing and cloud storage. But how did we get here? Let's take a quick journey through the history that shaped these digital tools we're relying on today. It all started back in the 1950s and 60s. Back then, computers were huge, expensive, and rare. Organizations needed to find ways to make the most of these costly machines. They came up with a system called time-sharing, which let multiple users access one computer remotely. This meant users paid only for the time they used the computer, making computing more accessible and efficient. This idea laid the groundwork for what would become cloud services. In the 1960s, a computer scientist named John McCarthy predicted that computing could become a public utility, like electricity or telephone service. He believed that people could pay based on how much they used. Around the same time, projects like DARPA's Project Management and Advanced Computing Systems aimed to develop systems where many people could use one computer at the same time. These early ideas helped shape the future of shared computing. Moving into the 70s and 80s, networking technology improved rapidly. Personal computers started connecting to larger servers, creating a client-server model. The invention of the Internet in the late 1980s and the early 1990s expanded possibilities even further. People could now share data and access remote resources more easily than ever before. In the 1990s, telecommunications companies began using the cloud symbol to representing their network infrastructure. This helped people understand that data and services could be stored and accessed remotely. During this time, application service providers emerged, offering software over the Internet. This was a precursor to today's software as a service, or SaaS, models. The real turning point came in the early 2000s. Amazon launched Amazon Web Services in 2006, offering on-demand computing and storage services over the Internet. This allowed businesses and individuals to rent virtual computers and storage space without owning physical hardware. Google also entered the scene with services like Google Docs, letting users create and share documents online. Technological advances like virtualization made cloud computing more efficient and scalable. Virtualization allows many virtual machines to run on a single physical server, saving resources and reducing costs. This innovation helped develop other cloud services like virtual networks and application containers. Today, cloud computing and cloud storage are essential skills for digital fluency. They let us store files securely online, use software without installing anything, and easily collaborate with others. Understanding their history helps us see how these tools became reliable, cost-effective, and user-friendly. Knowing this history empowers us to make smarter choices about using cloud services in our personal and professional lives.